Hey everyone, this is Nashwauk Steve. In today's video, I've got my friend Jeremy here. We're at his house, and we're going to be installing a wash basin next to his washer and dryer here. We've got some existing hot and cold water lines there, and we've got some plumbing, drain plumbing right there. So we're going to go ahead, expose what we can, tap into the drain, get this whole thing installed start to finish. Let's see how we do. All right, drop the faucet in right there in the 3 holes you drilled. Go to the back here, put these support nuts on, thread them onto the shank of the faucet there. Hold it nice and tight. Okay, then your faucet spout threads into the hose there. The finished chrome piece got threads on the inside of it. And then the hose threads in to this spout there. And comes out the back of the bottom. Okay, that's the weight. There's a marker where the weight goes.
Hose insert.
And it should be
hose insert the side.
just above where the hose bends. So right at that point there. So you thread it on here, and then there's just a nut that tightens down to keep it in place. Okay, just check to make sure that it goes where we want it to go, and then it retracts nicely with the weight down here. Looks all good. Okay, so that's the washer. You need to insert onto there. There's one end has got a hollow knockout inside of it that goes up there, and then the hose comes in here. That slides down on top of it and just threads into the hose like that. Okay, the next step is to put the supply lines on. So we ended up having to go with longer ones than came with the kit because we have a little more distance to go to our shutoff valves, but we have 30 inches on here to get us where we need to go. You put these on, give them a nice solid hand tighten, and if you get a drip, you could use a little wrench, but you don't want to do too much to this plastic. It's not that strong. Okay, here's a quick walk through what we did. We've got the 2 boiler drain shutoffs there. We've got the 2 sink shutoffs down there. We fed these lines through. It was kind of ugly going through this because we didn't have a lot of room. We had to work on an existing water line and vent. And then we're just about to cut the existing water lines to feed these to tap in with 90s to here to there. And then this one right into there as well. Okay, so this is the tub's gonna go back here. There's our supply for it. We haven't hooked up the water supplies yet because we wanted to get the plumbing first. So under here, we threaded on a female adapter there. It's gonna glue onto this little chunk that we made here with a Street 90 chunk of pipe and then a sanitary tee. And that's gonna go on just there, and it'll tap into the existing washer drain there. There's a standpipe there, but we just cut it off. So that's the next step. Good thing it did not. Go that way. Okay, good. Slam it. I don't have the pressure, so you got it. So as we got this wall apart here, we came across the back side of the shower plumbing. I just want to point out this method. If you ever have a small leak in your plumbing, you just, inside the wall, you put a little plastic cup there, and then as it drips, it's got some room to evaporate, so it can just continually drip and evaporate. It's not really the right thing to do, but this was built into the wall, and I guess it is what it is. Okay, unfortunately, we ran out of time to do all the finished work, getting the drywall back in place and making this look pretty, so Jeremy's gonna have to do that all on his own without my help. But for now, we got a laundry tub installed. It functions, it has water and drain, and we saw how to do that. Quick shout out to Charlie, who lent us his tools and some other fittings we needed. That was a great help to get this project done, so couldn't have done it without him. And that's it for now, so I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching.
Yay!
That's functional. I don't think, oh shoot.
Really?
Yeah, I see a drip on one.
Do you want to try and shoot? No, it's fine. Let's just, we can do that without the tub there though. That'll make it a lot easier.
Yeah.